When I first started, I wanted to be an exercise science major, but I like math and science, so it kind of brought me to the direction of engineering. And then I found out about engineering management, and I fell in love with it because I like to be able to like run a project, be able to have delegate different things, and do all kinds of different things like that. I've always wanted to own my own business, be able to like lead, tell people where to go, make sure they're all structured right, and have everything the right way. In the ideal situation, I would be running multiple projects. So I would have all the plans, all the details of how the project's supposed to look, how it's supposed to go, the dimensions of everything. And I would kind of like make sure laborers, construction workers, engineers, everybody's working how they're supposed to get the project done. I kind of started an internship this summer with a guy named Reginald Ruff. He owns his own architectural firm, and I was kind of interning with him, and he was allowing me to work with him on the project and see how things unfolded.
Our students past 3 semesters have been 100% employed by the time they reached graduation. They're involved in the daily process of leading subcontractors that comply and making sure they comply with the plan specifications, also make sure their projects are safe, comply with the budget, and also is on schedule. So that's what construction managers do. They balance the budget, balance scheduling, balance the safety, and also balance quality assurance.
I just enjoyed my time at UTC. When I really felt like I belonged on UTC was when I became the president of the NSBE chapter we have. So it's the National Society of Black Engineers. I'd been in it for a year, kind of see how it ran, and I loved it. And it kind of gave me that first real like, okay, this is kind of the reason I'm here. It's grown from like 5 or 6 people meeting every week or so to probably like 10, 15 people meeting consistently. We work with TechTown. What they do is they have a multitude of opportunities in engineering for elementary schoolers and beyond. They teach elementary schoolers how to code, how to 3D print, all kinds of different engineering stuff that I'd never like experienced until I was in college. They just offer all kinds of different engineering opportunities. There's a lot of kids there that like love it. Since I just started, I haven't seen that yet, but just like doing the background work, I love it just because I know where it's gonna go and know that kids are gonna like get this and enjoy it.
If you want to lead, be a leader, but also be involved in something, leaving a legacy actually. Later on, you can share with your parents or with your spouse or with your children or grandchildren. You can drive along and be a part of something bigger than you are, and that you leave a legacy of you being a part of that project and led that project to completion.